everyone. I am Varshita and these are our team members, Team 8, and this is our project AI resume screening system which we done in K project. In today's generation, candidates are struggling to find their role which is suitable for their skills or experience or studies which they have. Our AI based resume screening system takes skills, experience and other relevant details and give the which job role will be suitable to us. It matches the skills which we given with the job role and experience and others salary expectations, and it give the output as which role should suitable to us.
Now, how our AI resume screening system works. Resume upload. We can upload the files and we can take the dataset into Kaggle and extract the dataset into Google Colab. And resume parsing. It based on skills, education, experience and salary expected based. Pre-processing, future extraction. Convert text into structured using NLP, TF, IDS, word embeddings. Machine learning model processing predicts the candidate resume and which job is suitable for candidate. Technologies used. We are using this project front end HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Backend is Python. Machine learning. Here, Skitlearn and PyTorch libraries are used in machine learning process. Skitlearn. It is a supervised learning process and it is also used in classification and regression problems. PyTorch. It is a deep learning process and is used in images based. Algorithms used. Decision tree. It is a type of tree structure and it classifies resumes into categorical data. Data processing. NumPy pandas. NumPy is used to numerical Python and pandas we can use pandas to manipulate the data. Resume parsing. We can take resume in PDF manner. Now our teammate Hemant will explain.
This is future scope of our website, which is better accuracy. It uses advanced AI models. The future scope of our website, which is better accuracy. We use here advanced AI models like to improve resume analysis, and we take larger data sets and it has a multilingual support and real-time feedback. Now our team will see.
This is our front-end code first project. Now we have to start the front-end code HTML, doctype HTML, and HTML lang is equal to n. That is the language which is used in this code. And header. It is nothing but we can add styles and body, font family, text align. It means the user interface must in center. We can edit left or right. This is the division class is also used in AI-based resume screening. It is also used for HTML coding purpose.
What is H1?
Continue.
here if I'm interested in Java, so if I give this, it gives that I'm eligible to the job role. It predicts that the software developer, for example, if I invested in for example, if I invested in sales, it gives business developer.